everyone, it's Anna, and today I'm going to lead you in a short, easy morning yoga flow or anytime yoga flow really. Okay, so let's start lying down on your mat. Take one inhale here and exhale. Now reach both hands over your head and then bring both feet towards the left bottom corner of your mat and both hands towards the left corner of your mat, upper corner. Feel the stretch on the right side of your body. Take 3 full breaths here. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. One more, inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Take one last full breath. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Let's take that to the other side. So bring both feet towards the right corner of your mat this time, and both hands towards the right corner of your mat. Coming into banana shape. Take 3 full breaths here. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. 2 more. Inhale, exhale. One last full breath. Inhale and exhale. Now let's come back to center. Take a big stretch here, stretching, reaching over your head and pointing your toes. Inhale, big exhale. Now relax and then release your arms and bring both legs, fold your knees and bring the bottoms of your feet close to your bum, about, let's say, an inch or 2. And then we'll come into a reclined pigeon pose. So bring one leg, one ankle over the opposite leg, over the opposite knee. So this can be your pigeon pose. Make sure that your left foot is flexed. You can stay here or bring it a step further. Bring your right leg up and interlace your fingers behind your right thigh. Take 5 full breaths here. Inhale, exhale. Make sure that the left foot is flexed so that it protects your knee. Keep breathing. Take 3 more breaths. Inhale, exhale. 2 more. Inhale, exhale. Take 1 last full breath and exhale. Lower that foot down. Release your left leg. And now let's do the other side. So bring the right foot, flexing your foot on top of your left knee, so you can stay here. You can also put a little bit of weight with your right hand over your right knee, or you can bring it a step further, lifting that left leg, interlacing your fingers behind your left thigh. Take 5 full breaths here at your own pace. Inhale, exhale. Just keep breathing. One last full breath. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. And release the left leg, release your right leg. Shake it out. Windshield wiper your knees from side to side. And now we'll come into supine twist. So bring both knees towards your chest, hug them towards your chest, and then bring them towards the right side of your body and twisting towards your left. So bring your gaze towards your left arm. Bring that left arm into a T position. Make sure that the left shoulder is rooted down to the mat. Take 2 more full breaths here. Inhale, full breath, inhale, and exhale, release. And leg, bring back to center, and do the other side. So bring both knees towards the left side of your body, and then stretch, bring the right hand into a T position, and look over your right shoulder towards your right arm. Keeping the right shoulder rooted down to the ground. Keep breathing. Take 2 more full breaths. Inhale. Exhale. One last inhale. And exhale. Release. Squeeze. Come back to center. And windshield wiper your knees from side to side. Now let's come into a seated position. Center of your mat. And we'll come into do some seated side bends. Bring your right hand on your mat. Inhale, bring your left arm up. And then bend over towards the right side. Bring your gaze up to your arm. Inhale here. Exhale. One more inhale. Exhale. Bring the left hand towards the ground. Do the other side. Bring your gaze towards your right hand. Inhale. Exhale. One more inhale. And exhale back to center. And bring both legs out in front of you. We'll come into a seated forward fold. So you can bend from your hip and try not to round your back. So reach forward as far as you can. Take one big inhale here and exhale, fold forward. It doesn't matter if you cannot reach your feet. You can also use, if you have like a strap you can put around your feet to help you fold deeper into that forward fold. Take one last full breath. Inhale and exhale, release. Bring that left foot towards you. Hold the left knee and bring it over your right, on the right side of your right leg. And come into a twist. Inhale, bring your left arm up. Exhale, release it to the ground. If you want to go into an even deeper twist, bring that right elbow outside of your left knee. Come into a deeper twist. Inhale. Exhale. That will release some tension from your lower back. One more inhale. And exhale, release. Do the other side. Stretching the left leg. And bring that right knee towards you and outside of your left leg. Inhale with your right arm up and exhale. Lower to the ground. Just gonna do your twist, or if you want to go deeper, inhale, bring your left arm up, and with your elbow, come into a deeper twist, putting the elbow outside of your right knee. Take 2 more deep breaths. Inhale, exhale. One more inhale, and exhale. Release. And shake those legs out in front of you. And that is, well, we're almost towards the end of this easy flow. Come back into a seated position. And then let's stretch out our wrists a little bit. So bring those fingers facing towards you. To just stretch out that wrist a little bit. Take 2 breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. One more inhale. And exhale. And then do the other side, or like flip over your palm so the back of your hand would be on the ground. will be a good stretch in your arms. 2 breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. 1 more. Inhale. And exhale. Release. Let's take a moment here to just pause. Close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze up in front of you. Take 2 breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. 1 more. Inhale. Exhale. Thank you, everyone. I hope you enjoyed that little flow and hope that energized you a little bit if you're doing this at the start of your day, or maybe just to release a little bit of stress if you're doing it in the middle of the day, or just a little good stretch also just at the end of the day. Anyway, I want to thank Jen North for my outfit. They have one of the best outfits, best clothing out there, very comfortable at reasonable prices. So if you want to have the same outfit as I have, or I have others too, check them out at jennorth.com. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day. See you soon.